Hi, I'm TJ. Welcome back to Cooking Time. Today, this is actually a video we were going to make next week, but the weather outside has been cold, rainy last couple days, so I thought, let's make a chili. Let's make a simple chili since it's cooking time. This is actually my chili recipe that was passed down for my mother, and it's kind of a dump chili because there's only one part that we're really going to cook, and the rest we're using our trusty LSU crock pot. So, also, real quick, this will come out right after the new blade-a-thon that we've been cruising on. I still want to give donations to St. Jude, so in the description below will be the link to stjude.org, so you can keep donations to help a kid out this Christmas season. So, back to cooking. What we're going to need, usually I use a bigger bottle of salsa, but they were low. I'm using the two 16 ounces, they didn't have the big ones, so we're going to use two 16 ounces of salsa, 2 cans of mild diced minced green peppers, or Rotel, just need 2 of those. We're going to need 2 cans of black beans. We're going to need a little bit of cumin. We're going to need 1 beef bouillon cube. 3 pounds of ground meat. 2 packs of your favorite chili mix, or you can make if you got mix you already make, just make that, but I'm just going to use pre-mix. And of course, you need a little hot sauce. I prefer Louisiana, but you use whatever you want. So the first thing we're going to do, the other thing that's not going to go in the crock pot, is actually going to be our ground meat. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to start our burner over here. If it'll ever cook. We're going to brown these 3 pounds of ground meat. When I use ground turkey, this is what they had available. 2020, things are weird. So I'm going to brown this ground meat. Down here, I'm going to show you how to put everything else in there. So we'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. I just got done browning the meat. The one thing when you do this, also, because we're going to be cooking this in the crock pot all day, it could be a little red. It could be a little undercooked, it's going to cook through. I like saving the grease because we're going to need a little more liquid of this, and it brings flavor. So we're just going to dump all this beautiful ground meat into the crock pot. So excuse me, cameraman. Oh, paddle road ready real quick. Okay. The one thing too, before we dump everything, is the beans. Make sure to drain them when you use black beans, because that little juice is not going to be a good flavor for it. It's going to bring a little weird bitterness to it. So here's what we're going to do now. We're going to start dumping. So we're going to add our black beans. We're going to add our Rotel. Now, sometimes if I'm not cooking this as long as I'm about to, I'll drain one of the juice and keep juice for other, but this one's going to be cooking all day. Next, we're going to add our 2 chili packets. Now we're just going to add a little bit of cumin to it. I know the chili powder already has a little, but I like that little extra flavor. So about a tablespoon. Then hot sauce. This is to your preference. I'm just going to add 2 dashes. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot my salsa. That's a key ingredient. Oh, that's a nasty sound. What? Add that. Now finally, our hot sauce. Now this is by preference, like I said. I'm just going to add 2 dashes just for a little heat. Okay, this is prefer to heat. So, but this is a very flavor. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to get everything, get your paddle out or your wooden spoon or whatever. We're just going to kind of blend this all together. Oh, I forgot one thing. Where's the beef bouillon cube? My bad, guys. I'm sorry. Take one of these, but before you just drop it in, kind of crush it a little bit so it kind of blends it a little easier. It'll give it a little more of that beefy taste. I will say if you're doing chicken or turkey, add a poultry one. Or a chicken beef bouillon cube. Over here. We're going to grab paper towels. We did have a little spill on the side. Okay, we're gonna put the lid on. We're gonna turn this to low. And we're gonna let it cook. Since the meat was a little bit raw, I would do at minimum 4 hours. Hey guys, we're back. The chili is done. So I'll open this up.
How long has it been cooking?
We start at 9 a.m.
It's 4:47.
It's 4:47, so that would be
8 hours.
About 8 hours. But you go longer than this, but this exactly. I did one little trick. If you want this to thicken up, I know we've shown using cornstarch before, but that really is the best thing to do with chili. What I use if you need a quick thicken on this, good old breadcrumbs.
You gotta come here with that. That's too far.
It's good old breadcrumbs. It's just Italian style breadcrumbs. Throw some there until you get the consistency you want. I found with cornstarch that it will gum it up too much, and this one you still get that.
Cornstarch is more for gravy.
Yeah.
It's not for chili.
Well, this one you know still got that chili consistency you want. And the way we eat it, at our house, I know some of you North people are gonna love this. It's the best hot dogs. Nathan's I prefer chili dogs, but can of brown and corn chips.
I'm a Frito pie girl. Fritos, chili, cheese. TJ prefers to eat it as a hot dog.
Go really good, so I'm gonna try to try. Just like they have at Sonic's, the Frito chili pie burrito, which is burrito, cheese, corn chips, and chili on top. So you have that also as an option. So, but or you eat just with chili.
Can you show people your shirt?
Oh yeah, this is my Christmas shirt. It's not Christmas until you see Hans Gruber fall off the Nakatomi Tower. It's my favorite Christmas shirt because Die Hard's a Christmas movie. That's for you, Honey.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. That's
No,
just
it's
for
not.
That's for Honey. All right, guys. Well, I know. All right, guys. So we'll be back next week. Next video is going to be something very, very special. We're going to my parents' house. We're probably gonna have sauce pecan for one video, and we're gonna have a pasta live for the other.
Sauce piquant.
Sauce piquant.
It's not pecan.
Sauce piquant. Sorry, I'm adding into it. Sauce piquant. Which everybody's sitting here like, what's that?
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned for that, and we also bring pasta live. If you guys have ever heard or had jambalaya, you guys are in for a treat for this one. So we will see y'all same time, same place, Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.